friends, welcome back to another video. In today's video I want to share with you guys all of my decorative or creative pens. So here, hold on just a moment. These are all my pens. I will be showing you guys every single one of them, so one individually basically, so you guys can take a look at them and see how they're decorated and stuff. So we'll start off with this one. It's super creative. It's a fidget spinner plus a pop-it. So it's super helpful and super useful for when you're stressed. So you can relax and play a little, and on the back has a cute teddy bear. Another fidget spinner. And also a pop-it. I actually bought these two pens together at a dollar store, Dollar Tree to be exact. So each pen was about $1.25. Now we'll continue with a popcorn pen. I got this one at Hobby Lobby around December. It was on sale because it was after Christmas and it's popcorn, so it has nothing to do with Christmas. But anyways, let's continue with a mermaid one. This one I really like how the pom-pom is super soft and how the tail is super colorful and glittery. You'll see that you can find really cute pens at Dollar Tree. Continue with this one. It's, let me take the tag off. So it's a disco ball. Can you guess where I got this one from? Are you done with your guess? Yes, I actually got it at Dollar Tree. This one is actually one of my favorite ones. Now this one I actually got it at Hobby Lobby around December or after Christmas, I believe. And just like this one, I have one more in white, which matches my sweater. I also got this one at Hobby Lobby and another one in blue. This one bothers me just a slightly bit. Can you see that it's sort of like divided? Like there's more glittery thing on the bottom and less glittery thing on top. So when choosing these types of pens, just make sure you choose the best one. Now let's continue with this one. I actually got this one at Target and it is one of my favorite ones. It reminds me of Lavender from Taylor Swift. Then I have a watermelon pen. I got this one from Hobby Lobby. I got it the same day that I got the popcorn one, so it was also on sale. Okay, once again, can you guess where I got this one from? Yes, Dollar Tree. Which matches my sweater, I think. Glitter pens. These are black ink pens, but they're glittery on the outside, and I got them at Target. Also glitter pens. These are also some of my favorite pens, and they're glittery on the outside and colorful in the inside. The cool thing about these is that you can choose whichever ink you want to use, and then you just pick whichever ink you want. Let's say you want the orange one, so you just bring it down. A Santa Claus one. This one I got it at a mall in Illinois. I actually can't remember the name of the mall or the store because I've never been there. I only went there once. I got a bunch of them, like Christmas themed pens, which I can show you guys in a separate video if you guys want me to show them. I can definitely show them. Some cherries, so it wiggles, and then a blueberry, which also wiggles. So all three, the cherry, the blueberry, and the Santa pens, I got all three of them at the same store, which I can't remember the name, but I bet you can also find them on Amazon. Then we'll continue with this really cute reindeer pen, which also counts as Christmas because it's a reindeer. And I got this one from Target. I can't remember exactly how much I paid for it, but it was from Target, so let's say around $3. And inside it's got these really cute rhinestones. Now let's move on to this really cute pen, which I got from Target. This reminds me of two things. One, Barbie, because it's pink and it's heart-shaped. Plus, I also used it for a Barbie DIY, which I will be leaving the link down below so you guys can watch that video as well. And two, a lava lamp, since it's got glitter inside and the glitter moves in whichever direction you move the pen. Now, this flower pen is actually one of my favorite ones as well. As you can see, I got a bunch of favorite pens. The thing I like about this one is the ink. It's sort of like gel, so it's super nice to write with it.
Yo, that fidget toy spinner thing in there?
Yeah, it's a pen.
Looks cool. Can I have it?
No, because it's mine.
Only if it were blue.
Yeah. And then two What are these called? Diamond pens.
Diamond pens, yeah. Here, wait.
Golden pink.
Wait.
And then
One of them you already had and uses pencil.
I bought another one, yeah. And then a pineapple one with some colorful heart-shaped glasses. This one, I remember getting it from Joann Fabrics, but last time I went to Dollar Tree, I saw that they had these. So if you want to get this pen, probably check both stores. Here, I got 2 fidget spinner ones.
Yo.
Do you want to be in it?
No.
Just show your face if you want. I'm gonna put you in the video, eh?
No. Wait, you're recording?
Yeah.
No. I wanna see this one.
Oh, and also I want to show you guys my mug. It's a rainbow, and then it says, make time for sunshine. Make time for sunshine. It's really pretty on both sides. One of my friends gave it to me, and I've had it for almost 2 years, I think. And this is basically what I use to organize all of my pens. And this is how my pen collection looks. Really pretty. And that's basically everything I have. I mean, I have some Christmas pens, but I can show you guys all of those pens in a separate video if you want me to. Alright friends, and this is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you liked all my pen collection, and I really hope you enjoyed the video, and see you on a following project. Bye guys!